It's Candace collection. Don't worry about perfection. Hello, makeup maniacs. Today I'm going to do a full face and show you some of the things that I picked up from Ulta this weekend. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so Valentine's Day is coming up, so I thought this might be a good look. So first I'm going to start with my face primer by Urban Decay. With that all over it, kind of makes a matte finish. I picked up the Morphe. This is F4 120. Fluidity full coverage foundation. As you can see, it is brand new. I have not even taken it out of the box. Right, and then I also picked up this brush. This is the Real Simple Face Expert brush. So I'm gonna put just a little bit on that brush. As you can see, just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Okay. Saying it's a little yellower than I'm used to. That's okay. We're gonna try it. I'm gonna see how it looks. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. See, I like all the Morphe products though. So I'm gonna go in with this new concealer that I've just been trying to rock. This is my Fenty Beauty concealer. This is $4.80, and I kind of like this concealer. It's not as bright as it should be, because you know when you use a concealer, it really should be more of a brighter tone. It's more of a redder tone, so I kind of put that around some of my spots. Alright, so you see how it's kind of still light there. I have this cheap little, I use this Pro Concealer just around the edge. Sometimes you have to go in just around the edge to give it that natural line right there around the edge. Sometimes when it's too bright, so I'll go ahead and blend that in. You see how that made that just look real natural right at the hairline. What I picked up this weekend was the Dose of Colors. I absolutely love this. Ooh, if I can get it open. I mean, look at that color, right? I mean, that is just like too pretty. And this is Block Party Eyeshadow Hearts of Gold. Then I also picked up this Tarte. Again, loving it this weekend. Just picked it up, Tarte. And this is the Fire Dancer. Okay, look at those colors. This is the Fire Dancer. So what I did for Sunday to make a Valentine's Day look, I popped the eyes and then did just like a gloss. So I'm going to use some of those like colors like up in there to kind of blend, and then hit that red right on top. I'm gonna go in there with Burkina right there. I'm gonna go into that first. Oh, forgot the primer. That is enough for 2 eyes, so I'm gonna just put the rest of that on the back of my hand. All right, so I'm gonna go in just to get some color on the eye before I start putting on some of those stronger colors. Okay, and I'm gonna add that color just like right there at the corners. I'm gonna add that Ada color, and then just kind of blend that in, going that way. Okay, and then now on the outer corner, I'm gonna add hashtag relationship goals right there, just a little. I don't even know if you can see how good that looks, and how just a little bit goes a long way. So I'm gonna go in with my Warrior palette and just add a little bit of gold. There you go. Just put a little bit of gold right in the corner. And there you go. Alright, so now we're going to clean up Vice, that purple liner, just for that bottom. Alright. So those are the eyes. Ooh, don't you hate when one eye is better than the other? Rihanna has this gloss. It's called Fussy. Okay, so I was going to use that. Or I was going to use this other lip gloss that I got from Morphe, and it came in that 21 lip color Mind Reader. So let's see which one looks the best. liking this. Let's try that Fussy. Ooh, I like how it comes out. Yeah, I think I'm liking that better. Alright, there you go. Then for a blush, Real Techniques. These are the colors. I don't know. This is where I wish I had a friend. Phone a friend kind of thing. I'm thinking like right there. And it's just real light. Look how much came off. So, just be real light. Maybe even use the other side of the brush. You don't want it to be too much. I've been trying to rock this flat iron. So I've been doing like around the way kind of thing like this. And then maybe bring it like that. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. You can wear this on your Valentine's date with your special someone. Leave some comments in the comment box if you have questions. Goodbye.